Hello everyone, I'm Oz and in this video we will look into how to add funds for your smart trades and for your deals, your bot deals. So let's get into it. So why would you add funds? Sometimes you open a trade where it goes down and it's something that you are accumulating and you would like to add more funds. And sometimes there are deals when they go red. When, for example, you're in minus 10 or minus 20 and you would like to add more funds so that you can dollar cost average your trade. So the first thing you will do to add funds is that you will look at your trade which you want to add funds to. So for example, let's look at BTC in terms of smart trade. You go to the add funds window, click on add funds, and you will have this window pop up. So this is where you add in the amount that you would like to add to your trade. This could be a percentage of your total equity, or you can add in a number over here. For example, let's leave it like this. Then you have the options of market. Market meaning you are going to add funds right there at the price, the current price, and limit where you put in a price where you would like to add funds. I would recommend always go for limit, never go for market. So because to get a better option. So once you've selected limit, the next thing you would want to do is go to the charts, and in this case BTC. You go to the charts of BTC and we see, okay, so this is where the price is right now. Let's just clean this up. This is where the price is right now, and you would like to add funds. So this is the next support level, which is at 33, and the other one is at 33,353. We are looking at the 1 hour chart. So we can see, like, since the past few days it's been moving within this range. And then if we want to be more conservative, this is the level that we could add funds at. So we see, okay, 32475. So we go back and here we write 32475. Okay, and save. So you can see that it added funds over here at 32475. So that's how you add funds in a smart trade. Let's look at the deals. In the deals options, although we don't have any deals which require funds, but again, let's take it as an example. Imagine that you have all your safety orders filled, and you want to see where you can add funds and where it's required. So let's look at the one which is the most in need of a fund. So yeah, all of them are similar. Let's go for FTT. So again, you will in this case you will click on add funds. A similar window pops up. This is the amount you would want to add. So one of the things that you would like to keep, you could keep in mind, is that when you're adding funds, you look at the amount which is invested. For example, in this case, it's $15. So when you add funds, it's good in the DCA range that you double the amount that you've added over here. So if in this case it's $15, you make it $30 when you're adding funds. So yeah. So again, you open the add funds window. And you add 30 over here, limit, and then we go to the charts and we say FTT, USDT. Here we go. And we look at the charts, and yep. So again, this is on 1 hour. You can keep it on 1 hour or 4 hours. And we see, okay, this is a good place to add funds at 28,240, 28240. So we go here, we say 28.240, we say save, and that's it. We have our funds added, and when you manually add funds, you can see that it adds in a +1 over here instead of the allotted deals. And then you can click on this ID, and it will show you where you've added the fund as well. This is the manual safety. This is like automatic, like done through the bots. So manually we've added an active order at 28, and shows you everything about it over here, and you can cancel it over here as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video and this was helpful for you. And if you did enjoy it, please do smash the like, and do subscribe to my channel, and I'll have more content like this coming on ongoing basis. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.